Hi, I'm Steve Jones for SQL Server Central and Redgate Software. I live on a ranch out in Colorado, and across the years I've had to teach myself a number of skills. We often have things break or we need to get something new done that I've never done before, and so I use YouTube and other resources to learn how to accomplish something. Often we don't have the time or the money to wait for somebody else to help us out. However, over the years I've found that when we work as a team, when we work with a couple of us together as a group, it's a little bit easier to get something accomplished and to figure out this new skill. As part of the Community Circle at Redgate, we want to do that for you as well. We're adding this to Redgate University, and my part of this is going to be to walk through a stairway live. I've always wanted to learn more about DAX, and Power BI is certainly becoming popular, and at times I struggle trying to produce the visualization that I'd like to produce. So I want to walk through this stairway live with you. I want to go through these levels. We'll figure out some DAX concepts on our own, how it's different from SQL, how it actually changes our data results and visualizations. And each week we'll cover something new. We'll go through one or two levels and we'll hopefully accomplish something together. Now you can still watch these videos later. We're going to record them and keep them around. But the idea is that we're going to kind of learn as a group and try to build some new skills. So I hope you'll join me as part of this Community Circle effort with Redgate University, and let's learn some DAX and Power BI.